One day, Thomas was waiting at the junction when a bus came into the yard. Hello, who are you? I'm Bertie. Who are you? I'm Thomas. I run this line. So you're Thomas. Ah, I remember now. You got stuck in the snow. I took your passengers and Terence pulled you out. I've come to help you with your passengers today. Help me? I can go faster than you. You can't. I can. I'll race you. Are you ready? Go! Why don't you go fast? Why don't you go fast? Wait and see. Wait and see. It's a long way ahead. A long way ahead. Goodbye, Bertie. Beep, beep, beep. Quickly, please. Come along, come along. We're coming along, we're coming along. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Oh dearie me, oh dearie me. It's a long way in front, a long way in front. Steady, Thomas. We'll beat Bertie yet. We'll be Bertie yet. We'll be Bertie yet. We'll do it. We'll do it. Oh, bother. There's a station. Goodbye, Thomas. You must be tired. Sorry I can't stop. We buses have to work, you know. Goodbye. Oh dear, we've lost. Hurrah, we're off! Hurrah, we're off! Come on! I've done it! I've done it! We've done it! Hooray! We've done it! Hooray! Three cheers for Thomas! Hip hip hooray! Well done, Thomas. That was fun, but to beat you over that hill, I should have to grow wings and be an aeroplane. Thomas and Bertie now keep each other very busy. Bertie finds people in the villages who want to go by train, and takes them to Thomas, while Thomas brings people to the station for Bertie to take home. They often talk about their race, but Bertie's passengers don't like being bounced like peas in a frying pan. and the fat director has warned Thomas about what happens to engines who race at dangerous speeds. So although, between you and me, they would like to have another race, I don't think they ever will.